Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to see activity inside any folder on Google Drive using the full 2026 setup. This feature is extremely useful when you're collaborating with a team, sharing folders with clients, or simply want to track what changes are happening to your files. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once your Drive dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by opening the folder you want to track. You can find it inside My Drive or inside the Shared with Me section. Once the folder is visible on your screen, right-click on the folder to open the Options menu. From the list of options, click View Details. This will open a side panel on the right side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see two tabs, Details and Activity. Click the Activity tab. This is where Google Drive shows every recorded action that has taken place inside that folder. You'll now see a timeline of updates, including when files were uploaded, edited, renamed, moved, shared, or deleted. Next to each activity entry, you'll also see the name of the person who made the change and the exact time it happened. This is extremely helpful when you're working with multiple people and need to know who modified what. If you switch back to the Details tab, you'll see additional information about the folder, such as the owner, storage size, sharing permissions, and the last modified time. This is useful for folder management and access control. There's also another quick way to view activity. While any folder is selected, you can click the small info icon in the top right corner of Google Drive. This opens the same activity and details panel without using the right-click menu. Using folder activity helps prevent confusion, protects your work, and makes collaboration much easier because everything is fully traceable and transparent. And that's it. That's how to see folder activity on Google Drive using the 2026 setup. Once you start using this feature, you'll always know exactly what's happening inside your shared folders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next